काफी सारे जो माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स हैं उन्होंने अहमदाबाद की सड़कों पे आके पत्थरबाजी की। आप देख सकते हैं काफी सारों को अभी अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है। हालांकि पत्थरबाजी बंद हो गई है। काफी सारे जो लोग हैं यहाँ एक काफी शहर के बीचों बीच का इलाका है वस्त्रापुर एरिया। आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी बड़ी तादाद में पुलिस यहाँ पे पहुंच चुकी है। जो सारे वर्कर्स थे, जो सारे लोग थे, कहीं कहीं से आके पुलिस के ऊपर पत्थरबाजी कर रहे थे, उन सबको अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं कि काफी सारे जो पुलिस हैं अभी भी अंदर जाके सबको लेकर आया जा रहा है, अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है, डिटेन किया जा रहा है। जो भी लोग आए थे यहाँ पे पत्थरबाजी करने के लिए, आप देख सकते हैं काफी बड़ी तादाद में यहाँ पे सारे पुलिसकर्मी मौजूद हैं, जिन्होंने सबको अभी अरेस्ट करने की प्रतिक्रिया अभी चल रही है। आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ से भी काफी सारे पुलिसकर्मी यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। हर जगह पे जाके वर्कर्स जो हैं, जो लोग हैं जिन्होंने पत्थरबाजी की थी, उन सबको अभी गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है। और आगे आप देख सकते हैं काफी तनाव की स्थिति भी हमको देखने को मिल रही है। आगे काफी सारे लोग हैं। आप देख सकते हैं जो वर्कर्स के रहने की जगह है वहीं से इन सबको लेकर आया जा रहा है। हालांकि अभी हमें कोई डिटेल देने वाला नहीं है, पर यही बताया जा रहा है कि सबकी जो मांग थी कि उनको घर जाना है, उनको अपने अपने होम टाउन्स पे जाना है, होम स्टेट्स में जाना है। आप देख सकते हैं कहीं ना कहीं बोलाचाल अभी भी चालू है पुलिस और इन कर्मियों के बीच में। देख सकते हैं कि काफी सारे जो वर्कर्स हैं वो वहां पे बिठाए गए हैं और जो पत्थरबाजी कर रहे थे उन सबको गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है, ऐसा पुलिस कर्मियों का भी कहना है।
There's a live update that is being filed by my colleague Priyanka in Ahmedabad. This is the Vastrapur area where there are several migrant laborers who have come out on the streets and are protesting, and they also started pelting stones at the police force. The police there had to also resort to controlling them. A mild lathi charge also took place, and the police have, however, taken them into custody, all of them who were creating a ruckus out on the streets. Their only demand is that they also need to be sent back to their hometowns, and for that they need immediate arrangements to be made thereafter. But we are looking at the kind of ruckus that is now ensued on the streets of Ahmedabad. We've seen that happening in different parts of Gujarat as well. We have Priyanka getting us this latest update. Let's quickly take a look.
में वहाँ पे काफी सारे माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स के शेल्टर्स में से बाहर निकल के पुलिस कर्मियों के ऊपर स्टोन पेल्टिंग की गई। इसलिए सारे जो वर्कर्स हैं उन सबको अभी अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है, गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं सारे जो वर्कर्स हैं जिन्होंने स्टोन पेल्टिंग की थी, जो पुलिस कर्मियों के ऊपर स्टोन पेल्टिंग कर रहे थे, उन सबको अभी गिरफ्तार करके लेके जाया जा रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं डिटेन किया जा रहा है, फिर अरेस्ट किया जाएगा। काफी तनाव की स्थिति थी जो बन गई थी यहाँ पे। आप देख सकते हैं कि काफी सारे पुलिसकर्मियों को लाठीचार्ज अभी भी करना पड़ रहा है और लाठीचार्ज करने के बाद सबको एक एक करके गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा। काफी सारे जो पुलिसकर्मी है अपने राइट गियर में है, लाठीचार्ज अभी भी शुरू हुआ है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि काफी सारे और भी जो वर्कर्स है, सारे वर्कर्स को भी एक एक करके गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है, डिटेन किया जा रहा है और उनको उसके बाद अरेस्ट भी किया जाएगा। आप देख सकते हैं काफी तनाव की स्थिति बन गई है। पुलिसकर्मी भी कह रहे हैं कि काफी सारी पत्थरबाजी की गई थी इन वर्कर्स की तरफ से, जो खाली बाहर आके प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे कि कहीं ना कहीं उनको अपने अपने होम टाउन जाने दिया जा चुके। कैमरा पर्सन विपिन मोरी के साथ मैं प्रियंका शर्मा, रिपब्लिक के लिए।
Well, the migrants' protest in Ahmedabad that is being witnessed as Priyanka is getting us those live updates. Even as the state of Gujarat has crossed the 10,000 mark in the total number of cases that now have been reported, these are the migrant laborers who are demanding that immediate arrangements be made for them so that they can return home. Not the first time we're looking at such protests taking place in the state of Gujarat, but Priyanka is with us live to give us a current update on the situation. Priyanka, over to you for the latest information. They are now being taken into police vans. They're being detained.
Well, you can still see the action behind me. There were several migrant workers who had come out on the streets in the area of Vastrapur in Ahmedabad. They had started pelting stones on the police officers, and almost 100 workers or so are being detained, will be arrested by the police officers. You can see all of them are being made to sit here. This is just the third or the fourth lot, because before this as well there were hundreds of workers who had been arrested, who had been detained by the police officers. All of the police officers saying that there was heavy stone pelting from them. This is the area where they were made to stay. These are the shelters where the migrant workers were staying, and we can also see some action there. There are several other workers who are being detained. We will go towards that area because the police is still in their riot gear. They're still resorting to lathi charge on the workers. What you can see is a lot of officials out on the streets arresting all of the workers. There's perhaps another official there as well. We'll try to get in the word from him as to what really happened here. But the situation seems tense because hundreds of workers are being arrested, are being detained because they resorted to heavy stone pelting on the police officers who were on patrolling duty across the city of Ahmedabad. What you also see is now the police officials making a round of the entire workers' shelter that we're actually walking into. You can see officials really making a round and making sure that all the workers who were actually involved in this stone pelting are being detained, will be arrested. And like you rightly said, this is not the first time that such an incident of workers' protest has come to light from Gujarat. There have been several other incidents from Surat, from Bharuch, from Rajkot, where several workers have come out on the streets, blocked highways and tried to protest against the police officers. Sir, if you could get in a word. Sir, okay, so you see that there are several police officers who are actually right now taking a round of this entire situation, making sure that it's under control, and hundreds of the workers are being arrested right now as we speak, because all of them had come out on the streets and started pelting stones on all of these police officers, and thus you see the number of police officers who have come out here to control the situation. Back to you.
Priyanka, because of the multiple protests that we are looking in different parts of Gujarat, the state government's initiative, if you can tell us an update on reaching out to these migrant workers, because the special trains are running, the special Shramik trains are running. What is being done for them?
Well, absolutely. What the Gujarat government claims is that more than 5 lakh workers till now have been sent back to their hometowns. But of course, Gujarat being an industrial state, the number of workers who are here is a lot more. So a lot more trains will actually require for the workers to be sent back. And there are several such pockets where the process, in fact, is still the process is still going on for them to be registered and for them to be sent back. And these are perhaps one of those pockets as well in Ahmedabad that had come out on the streets and started protesting. The thing is that the Gujarat government cannot send all of the workers all together at one go. That's why there are several groups that have been made of workers to be sent back from time to time. Not all of the workers can be sent back at the same time. This is exactly what the police officers had been trying to convey to the workers as well, that your chance will also come. That process will have to be followed. But the workers came out on the streets and started pelting stones on the police officer, after which the police had to resort to lodging tear gas shells and also lathi charge on the workers. And that's why you see this kind of commotion that broke out here in the city of Ahmedabad.
Well, also, Priyanka, because in different parts of Gujarat, can you give us a quick update? Because as we were also talking about, not the first time that is happening, but this is seemingly turning violent.
Oh, absolutely, because this is not the first time like we have been talking about. We have seen several such incidents in Surat where workers have come out, started setting vehicles parked there on fire, started setting tires on fire. There have been several incidents of workers coming out of the containment areas and pelting stones on the police officers, which is all the more dangerous. Then apart from that, of course, in Rajkot, we saw yesterday itself that workers had come out of the containment zones and tried to attack the police officers. And then in Rajkot highway that we saw several workers blocked the highway, started pelting stones on private vehicles. And then again today we see these kind of attacks on the police officers in the city of Ahmedabad. What you see behind me are worker shelters These are shelters where all the workers have been made to stay, and all of these workers had come out on the streets and started pelting stones. The last lot of the workers who had been detained are now being taken to the police officers for them to be booked for this kind of rioting, for this kind of attack on the police officers who were merely doing their job, who were merely doing the patrolling work that they are supposed to do every day in the entire city of Ahmedabad. They're being made to stand here. You know what's more dangerous than the lathi charge and the stone pelting is that when a time like this, there is social distancing norms that get flouted because the authorities cannot ensure that social distancing is followed upon. You can see even now, not all the workers are wearing masks, not all of them have their protective gear, and that's why it becomes all the more dangerous for both the police officers and the workers and for the entire city of Ahmedabad when such an incident breaks out, because there's a level of there is a void of communication between the government and these workers, perhaps why they can't reach the workers, why they can't convince the workers to wear masks and also follow the norms of social distancing. And of course, all of that goes out the window when all of these workers come out on the streets and start pelting stones on officials who are merely doing their job.
Absolutely. They're now being lined up, and all those protesters there who had pelted stones at the police, as Priyanka is pointing out, they will be later taken to the police station and will be booked for the offence. That also we have been reporting in different parts that is happening in the state of Gujarat on part of the migrant labourers who have been attacking the police officials. Priyanka, thanks very much for joining in.